I concur.
I would rather have drums over flats. Some people love flats.
You like your shit meaty, huh?
Nah, not like that though. Like
Hey.
I like it with a little bit extra chicken.
Kinky.
I felt that.
It's alright because I prefer the drums too. I ain't fucking with the
It's not even that I prefer it. It's just if I had to make a choice, I would prefer the drum. But in all actuality, chicken is chicken. I don't give a fuck if it's white meat, dark meat. As long as I'm not eating a chicken ass, which majority of the time I probably am. You grounded that shit up and turn it into tenders and nuggets.
This nigga eating gizzards.
Fucking, I don't care.